What's up, guys? Logan from Cliffhanger here. We're out at the 4x4 Jamboree we're in a 2022 Rubicon right now, stock, got it in 4 high. I'm supposed to meet up with Trevor and Brad. They told me, hey, come out to the top of the world. And that was probably about 10 minutes after I told them, hey, I'm not that familiar with Sand Hollow, which is where it's at. And so they said, oh, just come out to top of the world. We'll you'll find us. And top of the world's supposed to be some destination. This is where we're at right now. Hoping we're going in the right direction. All right, guys, update. We are going in the right direction somehow. We got Onyx going. Oh, the destination canceled itself. So I think we're still going in the right way, but yeah, we'll catch you guys when we get up there. Yeah, so like I was saying, right now we're cruising through like 2 to 3 inch sand, some rocks mixed in. Get that snow in the desert, that's crazy. But if you guys didn't see that view earlier, check that out. This place is unreal. But yeah, like I was saying, man, we're just 4 high cruising, and it's doing no problem at all. We got balloons for tires right now. We did not air down, more or less, because I don't have a compressor to air back up. But just letting the suspension do its thing right now. I think we're still going in the right direction. Crotch shot. Yep, we are. All right, I think I see them up there on top of that hill, but we'll see if that's them. Directions say keep going straight, so we're gonna go right. Stuff just got interesting. We got the sheriffs here, and I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to have a flag. But I guess we're gonna find out right now. I'm trying to pick the safest line up. I don't even know if they're up there. What do you guys think? So we made it to the top of the world, but holy cow, this is nuts. Yeah, I mean, like I was saying, these tires are freaking balloons. So, but we did it. I'm sure this is all normally 2 feet deep when it's not wet, but wow, it's pretty here. Now we wait for Brad to come pick us up, because we don't know where we are. All right, I think Brad's coming now. What's up? Where are we going? That way. Am I hopping in with you? Yeah, just jump in. YouTube star?
Go into your YouTube video mode. Where are we at? What are we doing? Tell them.
What's this place called?
Sand Hollow.
Yeah, but we are at Sand Hollow.
Speak up loud.
We're at Sand Hollow.
What are we doing?
What are we doing here, Brinkley?
I honestly don't know. Riding
side by side. Jeeps. Trucks.
Jeeps.
Racing RC cars.
Racing RC cars.
Like, you'll be working out and gals will just stop and rest, and they're like sitting on their heels, just let those be like I can't even freaking squat below 90 degrees, let alone like. You guys are laughing at me. Like, see you guys talk on camera.
I didn't know it was only once a day. Yeah. I learn something new every day about social media.
Megan, you want more chips?
And the dangers it poses toward our youth.
It's just like the commercials you see on TV, the once-a-day pill that'll solve your rheumatoid arthritis.
Yeah.
That's not the problem you need to solve.
Oh, little scrapage. Not bad. There it is. There we go.
Spin for a minute.
That's it. Six doors getting lined up to take on Nino's Choice. Let's see if the six door has what it takes. Oh. Oh. That's it. Dude, that was so sick. All right, now the girls are trying it. Got Lexi and her friend. See if it's gonna work out. Just crawling. Keep going. Keep going. Go for it. You're good?